Next week, hundreds of the best teenage basketball players will descend on Las Vegas for a week of tournaments. But one of the most coveted players in the country is already here. And as John Treach tells us, he is working every day to be the best. Hey, John.
He's barely old enough to drive, but Julian Strawther is driving college coaches crazy, including Kansas, Florida, Arizona, and bringing the heat at home, UNLV. The local prep star is being pursued by powerhouses. Their interest is overzealous, but not overwhelming to the Las Vegas kid chasing greatness.
July in Las Vegas, where the heat is relentless, and so is Julian Strawther.
It's just a matter of realizing what I have to do to succeed. And I know that if I don't take my work ethic to the next level, then I'm going to fall behind.
College coaches aren't falling behind, they're falling over themselves to stretch close to the 6'7" Strawther. He holds the Hot Prospect Hotline.
Because your phone's just blowing up with coaches. You're getting phone calls when you're on the phone with one coach, another one's calling. You got to hold them off.
This Liberty Patriot is passionate about basketball, but when he's not playing basketball, well,
It's nonstop basketball, you know, just whether it's traveling all over the country or just in Vegas, just working out on a daily basis.
Julian is well known around Las Vegas, but he'll make a name for himself around the country because he's got talent like this.
Just being myself and just playing with no worries and not worrying about who's watching.
raising him right is his dad, keeping him grounded but letting him grow from watching his sister Paris, a UNLV rebel and a role model.
When she had home visits, I made him sit in on the home visits with coaches and even talk to some of the coaches that were calling her. I'd have him talk to them.
Julian's drive remains extraordinary to honor his mother, a woman who lost her battle to cancer but has purpose pouring out of her son.
You know, 'cause I always wanted to make her proud. So when I come in here in the early morning and I don't want to be here, I'm like, man, I got to do it for my mom.
He's 16 and about to turn legendary.
It is a rare weekend at home for Julian. He'll spend time with friends, but of course, be in the gym, getting better. Sasha?